thunderstorm warning for the following counties in California, Riverside, and San Diego. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a severe counties in California, Riverside, and San Diego. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Riverside County in Southern California.
This is heaven. You've been step.
Western California until 6:15 p.m. PDT. At 5:16 p.m. PDT, a severe thunderstorm was located 3 miles west of Desert Shores, or 13 miles northwest of Salton City, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Highway S22 between Borrego Springs and Imperial County line, Thermal, Mecca, and Santa Rosa Mountain. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. PDT for the following counties in California, Riverside, and San Diego.
Else you find.
Terry.
That's the.
You poured right. It's bad.